The SS-UV drone, also known as the Jiutian SS-UAV, is a high-altitude, long-endurance unmanned aerial vehicle UAV developed by China's state-owned Aviation Industry Corporation of China AVIC. This drone is designed to operate as a drone mothership, capable of deploying swarms of smaller drones or missiles. Key features: maximum takeoff weight, 16 tons, wingspan, 25 meters, flight ceiling, 15,000 meters, range, 7,000 kilometers, payload capacity, up to 1,000 kilograms, including over 100 mini drones or missiles. The Jiutian SS-UAV is set to begin flight tests and enter combat duty with the People's Liberation Army PLA in June 2025. Its modular design allows for various combat and reconnaissance missions, and it supports modular payloads for different tasks. The drone's high altitude and long endurance make it a significant addition to China's military capabilities, allowing it to conduct persistent surveillance and strikes in contested regions. However, its survivability against advanced air defense systems remains to be seen.